Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Dubrovnik, Croatia, and I'm at the main gate, the main entrance to the old town. Let's go take a look and I'll walk you through it. Let's do it. So this is like the staging area for all the buses, and it is crazy and full of people and really almost over the top nuts. And they just had 4 buses leave. I had to wait for them to clear out just to start my video. This is the wall of the city, and it looks amazing. Look at that. Is that amazing? Wow. Yeah, that's pretty staggering. Wow, wow. So I don't know if you need a ticket or anything, but they got blue for go and red for stop, so I'm gonna go this way and we'll see. Now somebody told me that it's worth getting the pass. So right there in front of me it says the dǔbroːvnɪk pass. It's $35. If you decide you want to walk the wall, it's $35 just to walk the wall now. In the old days, it was a lot cheaper than that. I remember the first time it was like $5, and then the next time I came by here, it was like $18, and now it's like $35. But the pass is $35, so it's worth doing. So anyway, so I'm gonna go buy that pass because I know I'm gonna walk the wall. And you would have thought I would have done it years and years and years ago when it was only $5, but now it's $35, which is absolutely silly, but it's the way it is. Wow. So there's an information center around here somewhere, tourist center. Oops, sorry. No, my bad. So that's a tourist center, and I think I'm going to go in there and buy the pass if I can. And you can see the fountains and the walls and all that stuff too. That's pretty amazing. Yeah, very nice. Wow. Wow, and I don't know what this is, some kind of fountain here in the middle or something, but yeah, pretty amazing. Yeah, very cool. Well, let's go in here and see if I can get the pass here. Hard Rock Cafe, tourist information, tourist center. Let's go in here. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me see if I can get in here. Well, there's a line. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody. I bought my Dubrovnik pass. And I'm going to do the wall tomorrow. Sorry about that. I'm going to do the wall early in the morning, around 8 in the morning. I think they start at 8 in the morning, and it starts right here, the start line. But I'll do that in the morning. But this is Dubrovnik Old Town. So I'm just going to walk around here and walk all the way to the water, just so you get a feel for what it looks like here. Because it's pretty amazing. And it is a neat old walled city. And it is full of tourists. There are 3 ships here. And I think the largest one, the new, is it not Norwegian? What is it? Whatever it is. But it's like 5,000 people, the guy said. And you can see here too, look at the little tiny streets, which are really kind of cute. You know, that's kind of amazing. Yeah. And by the way, things are quite expensive here. You know, I measure everything by gummy bears, and a regular bag of gummy bears is $2. So, and then look at the little tiny streets here too. All the way up to that tower up there. That's pretty amazing. Huh. Wow. And look at this one too. This is really cute. Well, let's look at the prices just so you can see. A Dubrovnik plate is $22. Traditional cheese, prosciutto, handmade dried sausages, and prawns, 23, whatever, 24, 24, 24. Swordfish is 32. Lobster, 52. Grilled John Dory fillet, whatever. I did look at pizza earlier because I went to the grocery store and things are outrageous, and I really have much of a kitchen, and I'm only going to be here for a couple of days. And so I really didn't want to buy food, but I looked at pizza, and I think the cheapest one I can get's like, I don't know, $16 or $18. But anyway, crazy. Is this amazing? And the streets are shiny too. I wish they were black. I could take some reflection pictures, but and it's interesting too that people that live here, I mean, they have their laundry hanging up there and everything else, which is kind of cool. Yeah, certainly neat. And there's side streets on every one of these. So like, here's another side street to this way. And here's a side street over here. And more side streets. Between every building is another side street. So you can see dink, 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 dink. And then on this side, dink, 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 dink. Yeah, there's just... And they all go back into, you know, more side streets and even more side streets. So it's pretty amazing. So like, look at this little side street here too. You know, I should go down one of these little side streets for you, but I want to get to the water first. I'll get to the water and then I can come back and we can do a little side street hustle or something. Yeah, I think that if you're really going to do Dubrovnik right, you really need at least maybe 3 or 4 days, because I think there's a lot to see, and I think that with so many tourists and so much stuff happening, I think you get, you know, stretched pretty thin. And the church is pretty amazing. Wow. You know, just walking through here, I just want to keep going, shame, shame, shame. I'm from Game of Thrones. Never mind. If you're not a Game of Thrones person, you don't get it. But, wow, look at that. Is that amazing or what? Wow. So cool. Well, we'll keep going through here. Wow, look at this wall. Wow. Okay, well, we made it to the sea. And we can get ice cream if we want some ice cream. But we don't. Wow. So much to see. Wow. And the water's really clear too. And look how deep that is, and you can see all the way to the bottom. That's pretty amazing. What's over here? Is this just a restaurant over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is just a restaurant. Wow. What a view, huh? Wow, amazing. Well, let's go see if we can walk over that way. I've been around this before and walked all the way around there, and there's really, it just goes around that tower. But this is a pretty amazing shot too. Wow. Here, I can show you some more prices if you're interested. So take a look at some of those prices so you get an idea of what you're dealing with here. Chicken Caesar salad's 28 euros. Homemade pasta 26. Yeah. And I didn't see one McDonald's on the way in here. And the fountain's amazing too. Boy, there are a lot of people here, aren't there? Yeah, I think I'm going to get here like just crazy super early. I need to go home and do some research so I know when and what I can see with this pass. Boy, that's pretty amazing too, isn't it? Huh. And that's pretty amazing. Wow. Look at this. This is the back end of this place. Wow. I don't know, is that a church? Should we stick our head in the church and see? We might as well, huh? Church. Okay. Let's see, which way do we want to go? Do we want to go this way or do we want to go this way? Let's go through this little crack over here. Akvarti. Let's see if we can pass here. Okay, this looks like it's something. So, Akvari. Okay, you need tickets here. Okay. I don't want to go there. As soon as you go to a place, you activate your ticket. You have 24 hours to use your ticket to as many places as you can get to. That's kind of pretty, isn't it? Wow. Pretty amazing. All right, everybody. I think I'm gonna stop right here. So, I just wanted to give you a flavor for Dubrovnik and what you can expect when you come here and such. Pretty amazing. Should we buy a sailboat and go out into the ocean and sail around the world? That might make me a whole bunch terrified. Anyway, I guess I'll have to find out what Akvarj is. It's a pretty amazing square, huh? Okay, everybody, that's it for me. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.